2010 SquidFlicks St. Patrick's Day festivities. We're rocking little Mr. Shamrock and our guest of the day,
Stephanie!
And as you see, we're all blinged out for our Shamrock accessories, and I'm rocking the facial hair. Stephanie didn't bring hers. I told her she should have. But apparently women aren't supposed to have facial hair, so... Well, to start off the shindig, we're going to have a Shamrock cookie baking contest. And I've labored hours at making the custom snickerdoodle dough, and I made the green sugar crystals myself.
Whatever.
Watch. Look at this. I even put it in this handy container. It has all the ingredients listed on it and the baking instructions. That's such a good. I made the bucket.
Yeah.
You want to see the sprinkles? Yeah. Look at it. I made this little
Your mommy
custom
got
thing.
those. Okay. Your mom.
That's good. That's good.
Alright. Well, let's get
We're gonna
this
make
thing
us some
started.
cookies.
Let's go. Come on.
Preheat the oven. 325
Right,
degrees. I made the oven too.
Make it.
No. There you go. The line in between 300 and 350
Okay.
is 325.
Alright. Wow. Okay, is this gonna be awkward or are we gonna get this started?
Wow.
Okay, so to make this a little bit more fair, we're gonna have rules. The rules are you can only use spoons and knives, the cookie dough, and your hands and sprinkles. That's it. You can't use anything else, because then you're cheating.
Dun 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 dun. Look at those cookies.
Yeah, this is the last one.
And here are our contestants. Mine is the infinitely better Sammy the Shamrock versus a little hobo leprechaun living on a giant leaf. A pot leaf.
Hey,
You decide. Love or drugs? The answer should be clear. Don't vote for this pothead.
do pot. I'd appreciate it if you take that off. Okay. I don't smoke
Your
pot.
leprechaun
I do
does.
not do drugs. I think it's disgusting. Pot smoking is gross.
We'll tell that to your little friend over here, living on the green leaves.
He likes gold and Skittles.
Mm-hmm.
Get over yourself, Shelby. You're just jealous. Jealousy. Okay, go in the oven.
Oven. Right.
Should I put it in the top or in the middle?
No!
And it says bake for 12 to 14 minutes. I think is what it says.
Action timer.
I'll put them on 14 just because. Shelby, do you still love me? Shelby?
I'm filming.
You don't love me?
Yes, I do.
You don't love me?
It's time.
I'm taking that.
What's this? Oh my. Looks like somebody put a snowman in there.
Shut up.
Let's let our official taste tester decide.
You gotta let him cool before he can taste it.
Yes, stretch. Stretch my stomach.
Cue awesome action music.
Almost a year.
It's now time for the testing.
That is correct.
Mr. Jones, what do you think of the creations we have set before you?
Well, I thought this was St. Patrick's Day. I see a snowman.
That is distressing, isn't it?
I would take points off for this inconsiderate of the holiday of St. Patrick's Day.
And now, Stephanie's cookie.
Don't spit it out. Spit it out.
Do not influence the judges.
That is very distracting to my tasting. I must say it's decent. Very decent.
What would you rate out of 10, good sir?
I would rate it as 7 3/4.
Okay.
I request milk to drain down this insignificant cookie.
Server.
Why do I have to be the server? The only woman, of course. Sexist piece of crap.
Blah,
Wow.
blah, blah.
Get
the milk!
Your inconsiderance for my milk is disturbing me.
Oh, there you go. Fall over.
Hold on.
I request.
What? How do y'all open milk in this place?
I request it to drain down this insignificant cookie as I eat more of it.
It's
You
a
shut up. If it's insignificant, then stop eating it, fatty. You're like, I can't say that. Never mind.
servers are supposed to be polite and friendly, not rude
I'm not a server.
and insulting.
Your words do not strike my skin.
I wouldn't drink that.
Muchos luchos, compadre. Thank you up.
It would seem the cookie hasn't settled too well.
My bad.
Now we shall try the second cookie. It has nice structural design. Notice the eyes and
They
confusion.
look like breasts.
They remind me of a woman's breasts from a time ago that I cannot remember.
What? That doesn't make sense.
Just eat the cookie.
I give it a 20 on a scale of 10 in structural design. Ma'am, I will not have your interference during my testing.
Shut up. Watch me say.
Why exactly?
Mayonnaise. Hellman's. Good for you.
Miracle Whip is better.
No.
Well, this is what Janitor has in the refrigerator.
Oh dear, a bomb is going off.
Shall I not interrupt my cookie tasting time?
Shut up.
It's more of my delicious creations coming out of the oven.
Well, you know what? I created part of these too.
I will give this cookie a rating of 7 3/5.
Which one's more? That means I get more. Haha, I win.
That's bull.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. You're a piece of crap, man.
Your cookie's been disqualified due to constant BS from your mouth.
Ooh,
I'm
technical.
gonna throw this bacon stone at you. Why do
You
I
have
always
one,
gotta
my
be the one
friend.
to do all the work around here?
Celebrate with your other compatibles.
Crap.
I do not suggest that one.
We thank you for your time, Mr. Janitor.
Muchos luchos, compadre.
Now that it counts as your meal for the month, you gotta start cleaning now.
Sir, that is bull. Beep.
No. That's why I lace that cookie with poison. Well, it's been a brutal 2 hours in the kitchen, but we made ourselves a massive batch of St. Patrick's Day cookies. Yummy. And we also had the ever so fun cookie contest, which
Whatever. You did not win. I won.
Stephanie won the pre-cooking
No, there was no pre-cooking competition.
and I won the post because hers ended up looking like a snowman. So, oh well. It was fun and pretty good way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I lost some of my stickers in the kitchen. Got like one side going on now, and
No, actually, you don't. You don't have any sides going on now.
oh, I'm missing all of them now.
You have one. On
Okay, I
your
have one on the
forehead.
forehead left. Okay, well, that's good. That won't stick very well. That's about it. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Woohoo! Party,
SquidFlicks.
party.